Students, in this lesson we will talk about present tense. In present tense we have four types: present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is this present tense? Present tense has the actions which are happening right now. Now let me give you some examples. I work at a bank. You work here. We work at a research center and they work with us. When we have he, she and it, we will add an s. As you can see, here we did not add an s, but here in the case of he, she and it, we will add an s. He works at a bank. She works at a research center. It works. It could be used for machines like the air conditioner, the fan, or the mobile. Now let's talk about when to use present simple tense. If we have the permanent situation, permanent means it's a fixed place, permanent. For example, we live in New Delhi or we live in Bhopal. Similarly, I live in Madhya Pradesh and he lives in Punjab or Himachal Pradesh, etc. Now let's talk about the second point, which is routine. Routine is something that you follow every day. I wake up at 6 a.m. or he wakes up at 9 a.m. Facts. Fact is something, it's a scientific talk which cannot be changed. The sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. Schedule. The Spain flight is at 12 noon. The Spain flight is at 12 noon. Schedule means that it happens every day and it's fixed. It's not like the Spain flight will leave at 11. It's fixed that it will leave at 12 noon. Frequency. Frequency means time. So I often get car sick. Let's go through the frequency timeline. Never is 0%. I never do that. Not at all. Rarely is 10 to 20%. Little bit. Sometimes is half of the time. Often is 75% and always is 100%. So let's make some sentences. Let's frame some sentences. I often get car sick. I used often. I never use the car. Never, 0% of the time. I rarely eat chocolate because it's bad for our teeth. I sometimes water the plants. And I always attend my class. Now, let's understand how to frame positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions. In positive sentences, you will say, is the same structure as it's here. I play. We will not only use verb, we can use all the action words. I play football. You play basketball. We play tennis. They play with us. He plays video game. She plays cricket. And it plays. It could also be used for animals. Negative, we will say don't or do not. Don't means do not. This is short form of do not. I do not or don't play tennis. You don't play. But here we will not use don't. We will use doesn't. Does not. He doesn't or does not play with us. She doesn't play cricket. In the case of questions, to ask questions, we will say do you. Do I play? Does he play? Does she play? Do we play? Now, let's talk about some spellings. When you are with the present simple tense, when you learn it, you have to take care of the spelling. Here, when the word ends with S, SH, CH and X, for example, teach, teaches. So here we have teach and we will add an ES, so it becomes teaches. Similarly, wash, es, washes. Lens with s, lens, es, lenses. Fix, es, fixes. Don't get confused in x and y. X, when we have x, it's with s, sh and ch. We will add an es. But when it's y, we will remove the y and we will add an ies. Okay? For example, try, tries. So I removed the y and I added an ies. So the words ending with these come in the simple present tense or the present simple tense. So you don't have to get confused in x and y as they are very different. Here it's ies and here it's es. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.